We are one, came to fight us, let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Good morning, guys. I am at the office. It's a Monday, and I guess we're vlogging today. I was supposed to move and change offices today, but my office is not ready, so I'm going to be here again for today. But hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to move and get settled into my new space. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I guess I'll be bringing you with me throughout the week as the week progresses. But yeah, happy new week. I'm excited and ready for this week. Let's kill it. My camera died, but anyway, so yeah, I'll be vlogging on my phone, and I hope that you guys can hear me. So I'm in the bathroom right now because I just wanted to do this quickly. I do hope that you guys can hear me, but I wanted to share this moment. So June is Scoliosis Awareness Month. And for those that don't know, I do have scoliosis. And I also have a, I'll insert a picture so that you guys can see. So I asked my parents a while back, not a while back, but like, I think maybe last week or so. Yeah, but it wasn't too long ago. And I asked them if I always had the structure, if I always had this hunchback. And they said no, it just developed as you grew older, and that was that. But you know, today a friend of mine, she also has scoliosis, and she was just, you know, basically just shouting out those people that she knows, you know, her friends who have scoliosis, and of course I'm one of them. And so it got me really emotional because I was just thinking, Hannah, this is it's something that I do struggle with. You know, I struggle with it, and I've never actually taken the time to think about whether like, I haven't really taken time to think about it really. Sorry that I know I probably sound like hakimiki sense, but you know, I'm just processing what I'm feeling. I'm processing my emotions. I'm processing my thoughts as I go. So, like I was saying, I've struggled with this for a long time. Growing up, I didn't really pay much attention to it, but when I grew older, that's when I started to, you know, really think about it and be like, this thing, it bothers me, you know. And I'm on a journey where I just want to just accept it, you know. I want to accept it, and as much as it seems like I have accepted it, it's a journey, and I have my
ups and downs. I have my days where I'm like, I really wish that my body structure wasn't the way it is. I really wish that there was something that I could have done, to fix it earlier. I've asked my doctor before. If there was something that could be done. The first time when I actually had an X-ray done, a scan done, and I saw how my spine actually looks, and it was so scary. And my mom and I joked about it, we still do, because I don't know, I guess I just wasn't really thinking much about it. But as I grow older, I'm starting to become more conscious about it and thinking about things like, thinking about things like, I'm not comfortable in my own skin, to be honest. I'm not comfortable in my own body. It might seem like it, but it's actually me forcing myself to get to that point where I'm like, you know what, this is me, and I am happy in my own skin. I am comfortable in my own skin. Like I said, it's a journey. Acceptance is a journey, and I'm still on that journey. Does it have a destination? I'm not sure, but I think I'm on the right track, and I'm so grateful to have people who have made me feel comfortable, in as much as, it's not, I don't necessarily need that validation. I don't necessarily need people to affirm me and make me believe that I'm beautiful, because I know that I'm beautiful. I'm not saying that from an arrogant place, but I know that I am beautiful. I know that, I truly am fearfully and wonderfully made. God makes no mistake, and I'm going to stand in that truth. I'm going to hold on to that truth until it fully registers and it really does stick in my mind, and not only in my mind but in my heart, where I truly believe it, and I truly feel like, you know what, I don't even care what anybody can say. If anybody has something to say about it, if anybody has something off to say about it, that's on them. So I'm on a journey to getting to that point. And today I just got really emotional when I got to see the post that my friend made, and I'm just like, wow, because it's different when you are posting about yourself. When it's me, I have control of who gets to see that stuff, but now I've given her permission to use my picture and share it with her audience, and I'm realizing now, okay, I'm opening myself up to the possibility of either being criticized or having people feel sorry for me or whatever, because that's human nature. People just generally I think it's from most people, it's from a nice place. It's from I feel bad for her, not like, I don't know if it makes sense. Like, for me, I understand where people are coming from, because they feel her, you're always in pain, what, but it's my normal, so it's fine. Not it's fine, but I've learned how to adapt. I've learned how to deal with it. Right now, as I speak, I actually do have a back pain, and I know that there's nothing much I can do about it. I'm just gonna have to, power through it. I've learned the art of just powering through my pain. I've learned the art of, just learning to just power through my pain and my discomfort, and to a point where I don't even need to take painkillers all the time, because my body, I've gotten so used to. Sorry, my storage ran out, but basically what I was saying, camera, I've gotten so used to making it work. But anyway, that's my thoughts right now. Let me go back to work. It's Scoliosis Awareness Month, and yeah. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. It is Wednesday. I'm preparing to, I'm waiting to be picked up. I am filming today. So, yeah, I'm waiting to be picked up. And, yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog here. And I hope that you guys will enjoy the vlog. We'll see how the day unfolds, and of course I'll take you guys along with me for the rest of the day. Happy Wednesday.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
Hey guys, I just had lunch. I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy now. I'm just going over my script, my lines and such, because I'm going back on set. But yeah, so I decided to leave my what's this thing called? My camera. Because I just felt like it's just gonna be too much admin, and just I figured I'll just film from my phone. But yeah, I'm here just waiting to go back in, and yeah, but I'm so sleepy. I have the itis. So this is gonna be fun. But anyway, let us carry on with the day. I'm tired. Alright guys, so I just finished on set for, yeah, I just finished on set. Yesterday was such a long day. I couldn't even film afterwards. Like I couldn't even film for most of the time because it was just me back to back. But yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm just waiting to go home. But yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna relax. Really, I'm just gonna relax, and yeah, I'm very happy. I've had a very great shoot, and I feel very blessed. I feel very, very blessed. I'm a blessed girl. I'm a happy girl. I love this. I love what I do. I love what I do. I love the people that I work with. I just love it here. Of course, there are always challenges when you work with large groups of people and people that you are not always interacting with all the time, but that is the nature of life. You won't always get along with everyone that you meet. You won't always gel with everybody that you meet, and that's okay. You learn people, you learn how to work around different personalities, you learn to put aside your differences, and yeah. So anyway, I'm not here to preach. I'm not here to do any motivation. I'll do that on a on a sit down video, which I'll definitely be shooting very soon. But yeah, I just wanted to close off. I don't know if I'm closing off the vlog or I'm closing off this part of the vlog, but if I am closing off the vlog, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the vlog. Like I said, I am limited when it comes to how much footage I can get when I'm here, because one, I can't necessarily ask people to be on my vlog. I don't know how comfortable they are. I can't vlog on set for obvious reasons, and yeah, so I'm quite limited, but I try to fill you guys in where I can, and I do hope that you guys understand. I'm excited for you guys to see the production once it's done. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, I'm very grateful and thankful to God for this opportunity for me to just tap into and to just exercise that acting muscle, because it's been a while. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the vlog, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. Feel free to comment down below, share this video with as many people as you can, and let them know that we hang out here every now and then. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy this amazing family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video or vlog. Bye.